Hello and welcome to the In Focus series section of Drishti IAS. I am Aisha Singh and in today's video we will be discussing about Sagol Kangjei, ancient polo of the state of Manipur, which is played on the celebrated Manipuri pony or the pride of Manipur, Manipur pony. So you can see the image of Manipur pony. They are considered to be spiritual in the state of Manipur. So let us look at the timeline of the video. First we'll be looking at the news, then what is Sagol Kangjei, then about the Manipur pony, then why the dwindling numbers of Manipur pony, why are they decreasing in numbers, then what are the reasons for their decline in numbers, and what are the conservation efforts that has been taken by the state of Manipur. In the end, a prelims MCQ. This topic is of relevance from General Studies paper 3, which is environment and conservation. See, from exam perspective, first you should be able to know that Manipur pony belong to which state. Then the game of Sagol Kangjei is popularly known as. Then why the numbers are decreasing and what are the conservation efforts which has been taken by the state of Manipur. So let us see the news, and the news has been taken from the Indian Express, and it says Sagol Kangjei, the ancient polo of Manipur, played on the celebrated Manipur pony. So first you have to focus on the word Sagol Kangjei, then in the state of Manipur, then third is the Manipur pony. But the most important point that we will be discussing here is the Manipur pony and why they are in news. So recently what has happened is that the Home Minister Amit Shah has inaugurated a 122-foot tall statue in the Marjing Polo Complex in Imphal, Manipur. So the Home Minister Amit Shah has inaugurated 122-foot tall statue. You should be knowing about the height of the statue and where it has opened. So it has opened in the Marjing Polo Complex, Imphal, Manipur. So what you can see in the statue is, see, this is the statue, this is the Manipur pony. So in the statue what you can see is a polo player astride a Manipur pony in Imphal. So see, this is the Manipur pony and there is a polo player sitting on the Manipur pony. Both the legs are on the sides. So this is the statue which has been unveiled by the Home Minister. You can see the picture of the Home Minister unveiling the statue, and this project has been in the work for several years. So it has been many years that this project or the statue of 122 foot that it needs to be unveiled so that the attention towards the conservation of Manipur pony can be looked into. So now let us look at the location of Manipur in India's map. So see, this is India's map and Manipur is a part of Seven Sisters, which is the northeastern part of the India. So this is the northeastern part of India, and then we have Manipur here in the northeast. So if we will enlarge this map, then we will get this map. So Manipur shares its borders with Nagaland on the north, Mizoram on the south and Assam on the west, and it shares its international border with the country Myanmar. So you should be able to know that Manipur shares its border with how many Indian states? Then it is 3, that is Nagaland, Assam and Mizoram. And this is the location of Imphal. This is Imphal East and this is Imphal West. So the unveiling of statue has taken place in Imphal. So this was about the location. Now let us talk about Sagol Kangjei. Then what is Sagol Kangjei and why is it so famous in Manipur? See, Sagol Kangjei is modern polo. So polo is a sport in which a player or a rider sits on the horse and then they have to, with a stick in their hand, and they have to pass the ball. So that is the game of polo. So you can see the image. This is what the game of polo looks like, and Sagol Kangjei is considered to be from where the game of polo has been taken or from where the game of polo has started or the origination for the game of polo. Then this is the indigenous sport to Manipur. Sagol Kangjai. So if the term Sagol Kangjai comes in the paper, then you have to know that Sagol Kangjai is the term related to which state. Then it is related to the state of Manipur. Or it is related to which sport? Then it is related to the sport of polo. Then what happens is the players ride horses, as you can see in the image that the player is sitting on the horse, specifically the Manipur ponies. Then referenced in records dating back to the 14th century. So there are records also from which we can take that the modern game of polo has originated from Sagol Kangjai. Now let's talk about the Manipur pony. See the image? These are the images of Manipur pony. So Manipur pony is basically, as compared to that you see in your surroundings, the Manipur pony as compared to those normal horses is little small in size. So Manipur pony is one of the 5 recognized equine breeds of India. So a breed which looks like horse or is very similar to horse. Then they are powerful cultural significance for Manipur society. So when it comes to the society of Manipur or the people living in the Manipur, then Manipur pony holds a very important place because it is considered to be cultural, it is considered to be spiritual. So the cultural aspect of Manipur pony holds utmost importance for the people of Manipur. Then Marjing Polo Complex has been developed as a way to conserve the Manipur pony. So Marjing Polo Complex is the place in Imphal where the 122-foot statue has been unveiled of Manipur pony, and the main aim of unveiling this statue is to take attention or to notice that we need to conserve the Manipur pony because they are the pride of Manipur, and with each passing year the numbers of Manipur ponies are decreasing. So it needs to be conserved and attention needs to be given to it. Then Manipur Pony Conservation and Development Policy 2016. So the Manipur state has taken consideration of the dwindling numbers of the Manipur ponies, and the conservation and development policy came up in the year 2016. Then the socio-cultural associations for centuries. This is the most important point, that why the Manipur ponies are so important for the people of Manipur, because of the socio-cultural association or because of the spiritual point that they hold for Manipur ponies. Then Manipur pony features in mythological stories in Manipur. Then it is celebrated in oral tradition, ballads and rituals. So this is why people are able to connect themselves with the Manipur ponies and are talking about the conservation efforts that needs to be put into for their conservation. Because of the socio-cultural association, it features in the mythological stories, rituals, traditions and etc. Now let's talk about the dwindling numbers of the Manipur ponies, or why the numbers are decreasing, and this is a cause of concern. So if we look into the 17th quinquennial livestock census 2003, so quinquennial means once in 5 years. It means a census which takes place or which happens once in 5 years. So when it took place in 2013, then in the state of Manipur, the number of Manipur ponies was 1898. This is the exact numbers. And then again when the 19th quinquennial livestock census took place in 2012, the number of Manipur ponies decreased from 1898 to 1101. So if you will see that from 2003 to 2012, the number of Manipur ponies have decreased, and after 2012 or the 19th quinquennial livestock census, the other census has not taken place till now, but in the state of Manipur, a random census took place in 2014, and that point of time the officials said that not even 500 Manipur ponies could be found or could be located at that point of time. So these census are actually telling us that the number of Manipur ponies in the state of Manipur is decreasing or are on a decreasing state. Now let's talk about that what are the reasons for decline in numbers. What can be the reasons that why the Manipur ponies number in the state of Manipur, where they are so celebrated and are considered spiritual, are decreasing? So first and foremost is the encroachment. So the urbanization is happening, infrastructure is taking place, and the rapid urbanization, because of which the humans are taking the land where the animals used to live very easily. So now when the encroachment is taking place, so the animals will go to some place, and many a times we have seen that they tend to come on the same place where the humans are also living. Then comes the development aspect. Then development aspect also goes along with the encroachment aspect, that the population is increasing. So if the population is increasing, then the population will need more and more space, urbanization will take place, infrastructure developments will take place, and because of which the forest area or the natural habitat where the animals used to live will go into the rapid expansion. Then massive destruction of wetland areas. This is also one of the reasons and can also be taken it with the encroachment and development part. Now comes the point of road accidents. So many a times we have seen, because of encroachment and development, what happens is the natural habitat or the natural grazing sites of the animals are taken away. So now the places for these animals are decreasing, while the places for humans expansion is increasing. So what happens is the problem of coexistence appears. So what happens is that at the same place which was earlier the natural habitat of the animals has now become a place for the settlement of the humans. So those same animals many a times looking for their natural habitat comes into the life of human and the human daily activities. Then the road accidents also happening, and Manipur ponies, one of the biggest reason for their decrease is road accidents. And then comes the point of food poisoning. Now time what is happening is, because of the rapid expansion, urbanization, infrastructure, and taking away of the natural habitat and the natural grazing sites, the food for the Manipur ponies is not present. So what happens is, many a times we will see that Manipur ponies are feeding onto the garbage. Because of feeding onto the garbage and the not healthy food or the unhealthy food, so they tend to develop food poisoning, and the problem of food poisoning is also increasing among the Manipur ponies. So these are few of the reasons for the decline in numbers. Now let's talk about the conservation efforts. What are the efforts that has been taken till now by the government of Manipur? So first and foremost, there are 3 sanctuaries that has come up in the state of Manipur. First is the Lemfelpet, which is situated in Imphal West. So if you will see the map of Manipur, then this is Imphal West, and you will be able to locate the location of Lemfelpet Sanctuary. Then second is the Hengyang Sanctuary, which is present or which is located in Imphal East. So see the map again. This is Imphal East. So this is the place where the sanctuary of Hengyang Sanctuary is present. And now recently the 122-foot statue of Manipur pony has been unveiled in the Marjing Pony Sanctuary in Imphal itself. So the sanctuaries are present in the region of Imphal, Manipur. And then we need to also see towards the conservation efforts to protect their natural habitat, so that Manipur ponies can live in their natural places and do not have to actually move and look for other places to move around and find their food. And then this is the reason, when they go out of their natural habitat, then the human and animal conflict start, and this is where the animals and humans both are at the receiving ends. Then comes the natural grazing fields. These also needs to be protected. Then the government has declared endangered breed in 2013. So when we will talk about the Manipur ponies, then the government of Manipur in 2013 has declared that the Manipur ponies as endangered. So this endangered Manipur ponies is declared endangered by the government of Manipur. Now in the end, let's talk about our prelims MCQ, and you people need to tell me the answer in the comment section. And it says, consider the following statements regarding the Manipur pony. First is They are one of the 5 recognized equine breeds of India. Second is the 122-foot tall statue of Manipur pony is unveiled in Assam. And third is the Manipur government regards Manipur pony as endangered. You have to tell me the correct answer, and the codes given are 1 and 2 only, 2 only, 2 and 3 only, 1, 2 and 3 only. So try to solve the question. I hope you will be able to do this one. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Till we meet next time, keep reading and keep writing.